Baby, this is a 10 out of 10. This is giving very much take me on vacation. Vacation me, please. Take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jay, and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, hello, my name is Jay. Be sure to subscribe because you are now a part of the family, whether you know it or not. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing a SHEIN haul, and it's just some random stuff that I got from SHEIN. Y'all know I could not leave the summer without doing a little haul, so let's just try on our first piece. Y'all remember the last haul I did? They gave me a big old box. This time they just stuffed it in this bag, so I'm trying to see which one I want to try on first. It don't matter anyway because y'all gonna see it all, but we're gonna start with this two-piece green olive outfit, and I'm gonna put the pictures on the side as I'm trying them on, and I'll also insert the links down below so that y'all can click on them, purchase them, do whatever. Everything that I order is in a small or extra small because I read the reviews of certain stuff and some of them was like they weren't really big, so get it extra small, this is that. So whatever I try on, I'll let y'all know what size I got, but I'll be sure to put a picture up on the screen for y'all just so y'all can see how I look on them versus how I look, you know, on me, or if you have a similar body type to me. Y'all, so this is the first green set. I got this in a small, and I'm gonna step back so y'all can see. And see, I got this in a small, and I got a little something, a little junk in my trunk, but this is a small. And then I don't really got boobs for real, but I love how this freaking top fits, and I can just pair it with a little bag, put my jewelry on. This is a fit for real. I actually like this one, y'all. Yeah, now my waist is small, but it's like kind of loose in the front, but that's okay. The material feels so good. The material feel real good, but overall I rate this fit, I rated it a 10 out of 10 because once I actually put together an outfit for real, it's gonna be real cute. All right, y'all, next I have this two-piece set. It go all the way down, but I'm feeling this, like the bottoms are really loose. They're really loose and flowy. They do feel good. I can say that I am 5'2" and I am 145 pounds. Just for reference, especially if y'all getting this. And I think this will be good with sandals, but this will also be good with heels too. That way the bottoms aren't dragging the ground. But this top is really cute too. I don't really have boobs like I said, but if you do, I would just go up on the size a little bit because my boobs are already small and it's like barely supporting what I got going on. But overall, I give this one a 10 out of 10 too. This one is cute. It gives summer brunch vibes to me. But let me know what y'all think about this outfit. I can't wait to put some jewelry with it, put a bag with it. Yeah, it's giving. It's giving. Baby, it's the blue for me. All right, y'all, next I got this freaking swimsuit, and this color just pops on my freaking skin. It also came with this like crop shirt, and just to stick it, let me put it on for y'all. Also too, I got this jewelry. This jewelry did not come from SHEIN, but I like matched it with it, and I think it goes together so freaking well. Hold on. Y'all, do not tell me this not cute. So you can wear it like this, you can wear it like this. Yes, also the swimsuit did not come like that, as y'all can see in the picture. When I got it and tried it on, don't y'all hate when it be too much space in the front part of your bikini? That's what happened to me, and this is a small. Like I said, my waist is small, so yeah, it didn't come like this, so I made it work. I went on TikTok and found a way to like tie it to make it stay real good. But yeah, that's what I did to mine. I really like this. And then I ended up getting this freaking cover up too. Now I wouldn't wear this cover up with this, of course, so I'll take this off and then I'm gonna show y'all. But I did get this cover up as well. Super cute, y'all. I'm just so in love with this blue, but let me show y'all what this cover up looks like real quick. Ooh, y'all, stop playing. Hold on. Y'all, sorry about that. Baby, this is a 10 out of 10. This is a 10 out of 10. This goes together so freaking perfectly, and I bought it separate, and I am feeling it. Y'all, your girl looks too good. Y'all know I gotta take pictures. And then on top of that, I got this freaking bag. This Hello Weekend bag. Beach vibes. You know it. Hold on. And to top it off, y'all, I got some shades. Give me 1 second. So the shades I got, of course, they had to be blue. And the first pair of shades I got, they look like this. Now, they did come with these fingerprints on it, and I don't appreciate that. And they gave me this cloth with it to wipe it, but I feel like it got worse. But instead of putting these shades on, baby, I could put them up here. Yes. This is giving very much, take me on vacation. Vacation me, please. Take me on a trip because I look worthy of it. Yeah. Y'all, this swimsuit got me feeling myself. So yeah, I got these shades right here. And then I got some other blue ones because I didn't know which blue was gonna match the freaking swimsuits. So I got some other blue ones as well. I got these royal blue. I could put them up here too, yes. Or I could put them on. You said what? You said you want to take a picture with me. Come on, baby. Yeah, 10 out of 10. All right, y'all, next I have this top, and I know what y'all thinking. The two-piece set that I had just put on looks similar to this top, but I promise you it's not the same. This is real cute, and I just put these shades on. These are not from SHEIN, but I had got them for like Forever 21, but we ain't worried about that. I just want y'all to see the vibes. And then I just put some pants on because I'm about to be trying on some tops. So these are not from SHEIN, but this top is. But I really like the top. It's giving very much vacation vibes, brunch vibes. It's a cute top for me. This is what the back looks like. And you can just tie it as tight as you want to tie it. And let me just get up close so y'all can see the material. Yeah, I like it. Like I said, I ain't really got no boobs, but baby, we gonna make do what it do. And this ponytail is giving with this top, y'all. This is a 10 out of 10 too. Like, I give this a 10 out of 10 for sure. What y'all think? I'm about to try on some other tops too, so I'm gonna keep these bottoms on just so y'all can see. It's pretty much the same top. I just got it in different colors, but I'm about to show y'all. Okay, y'all, this is the next top. Now, when you get this in the mail, it is so confusing to put on because let me show y'all another one that I had got that's the same, like this green one that I'm gonna try on. When you get it in the mail, it looks like this. And it's just like, I don't know, I was kind of confused at first. So people in the reviews was saying how it took them a minute to like put it on because it is kind of confusing because it don't go like that. It goes like upside down or something like that. Now, I did wear this top already before. So if you're wanting to put jewelry on, you know, you don't never want to put nothing right here because the thing is crossed right here. So what I did was I'm gonna take this apart and I'm gonna tie it a different way just so I can wear the jewelry like in the front so it can hang, and I'm about to show y'all. Okay, so I just tied it to the back instead of crossing it. And if you want to wear jewelry that hang down like this, baby, wear it like this, cause it's giving. It is giving. So you can wear it either or. I think I'm gonna just try them on like this, and I'm gonna still show y'all the picture, but I like it like this. And if you don't got any jewelry, get you some, because they make the outfit. But this is also giving little vacation vibes too, or you know, just a little step out, a slight pop out. And this is what the back look like. It don't gotta hang that low, but I was just trying to show y'all how to tie it, or how I tied it. So I'm gonna put on the other colors real quick so y'all can see. I see the green one is cute too. Like, I like it like this too, but I also like when it cross over. It just depends on, I guess, the vibe you're trying to go for. If you're trying to wear jewelry, then wear it like this, and if not, you can just cross it over. But this green is actually cute. This olive green is cute, like super cute. So that's why I got like different colors, because I just love these type of tops, especially with what I got up here. But I think I got let me see, I think I got a black one too. I don't even remember. Oh yeah, I do have a black one. So, and I'm only trying them on just so y'all can see like the different colors, especially like on my skin. So I'm about to try this black one on real quick. And I don't know, I love the white, I love the olive green. So I'm gonna try this black one on. Ooh. If y'all know me, y'all know I'm good for wearing black on black, okay? And even though I said I ain't get these leggings from SHEIN, this could be a fit for real. You can adjust these however you want to adjust it. It could be like this, it could be like these, it can be however you want to do it. But yeah, I got all these colors, and your girl is just finna be wearing them. And if y'all follow me on Instagram, by the way, follow me on Instagram at jdfitness_. I'm gonna be taking some pictures in these. So what does it give me? Photo shoot, post. Yeah, it's giving. All of these tops is just cute. I got some other tops to try on, but y'all get the point of these fits. I just really love this necklace, and I got the rings on. I just put those on, by the way. But I got the rings on. So pair it up how you pair it up. But I give this also a 10 out of 10 because I love me some black, especially black and gold. Hey y'all, next I got this orange crop top, and I really love the color of it because it gives those summer vibes. What I don't like is how many strings it came with. Like, it was so difficult to put on, because if you stretch it too much, then the strings is gonna all like come out. And it's also very long. The strings is long, y'all, so your girl gonna end up cutting the strings just so they can be a little shorter. But I just gotta be careful when I'm putting it on, because if I'm putting it on, it could all come out of the loop. They have like different loops on there, as you can see. But overall, I really like the color. It's different, you know, so I'm gonna have to see how I'm gonna pair this together with like a fit. So I don't know what bottoms I'm gonna wear just yet, but this is the details. It's like a neon orange type of color. And I give this a 10 out of 10 despite these freaking strings. I'm gonna cut the strings though, but it's cute. It's cute, man. What other colors do I have? Y'all pretty much get the gist. I have this olive green color and the black color. So I could try these on, but y'all pretty much get the gist of it. Should I try them on? Because I was tired of dealing with these freaking strings, y'all. But yes, these was the other two colors that I got, and I'm just put the picture right here because y'all get the gist. You see how I fit. Just imagine me with the other colors on. We seen how the olive green fit already on my skin, and we also seen how the black fit, so we already know what they look like. And then I got one more thing to try on, so I'll be back. All right, y'all, next, I know this is random, but for those of you that know, your girl be in the gym, so I needed a cute little workout set. So I got a pink one, since I'm always freaking wearing black. And this is what it looks like from the back. So, very cute. I think I got this in a small too. Y'all, I just realized that I was not telling y'all the sizes for real. Everything was a small. Let me check. Yes, everything was a small. And this was definitely small, but the bottoms kind of run a little big, especially in the front because the girl don't really got nothing right there. But yeah, so other than that, y'all, that concludes. Hold on, let me get my glasses because it's not complete without the glasses. Yes, okay, now that completes it. That completes my haul. And y'all know your girl can't end the summer without doing a haul. If y'all like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this to one other person. Send this link to my videos to somebody else. Send it in y'all group chat. I know y'all finna go on vacation, so y'all need some of these cute little tops, okay? And yeah, just subscribe to your girl family. I'm so happy that we reached 1,000 subscribers, and I want to keep doing these hauls. I want to keep doing these vlogs. So yeah, y'all stay tuned for the next vloggy vlog. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.
Hey, let's pop the E off a lid. I got some time in the blow. I got the money to blow. I got the money and blow.